Hi students, today we are going to start new chapter, coordinate geometry. In this coordinate geometry we are going to deal with distance between 2 points. Formulae. First one, distance between 2 points. What are those points? A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is, we see in graphs, ordered pairs x comma y. So A is one point, so first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2, third point is there x3 y3, like that. In graph we plot, we all know ordered pairs, and we are calculating the distance between these A and B. How much? What is the formula of AB? Means AB, the meaning of AB is distance between 2 points. What are those 2 points? A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. So AB, this AB is having this much meaning. AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Very simple formula. Next, coming to second one, distance between point P x comma y and O. O means origin. 0 comma 0 is here 1 point. This also 2 points only. The same formula you can apply, no problem. But still more easy than this one. Are you able to follow? So OP, O is origin and P is 1 point. Now OP means what? Distance between point and origin. Here to write, better write that one. Distance between point and origin. The word origin should be there. Origin, and the ordered pairs of origin we represent as O, and the ordered pairs of origin is 0 comma 0 is always the coordinates of origin will be, ordered pairs will be 0 comma 0. Very simple. OP is equal to square root of x square plus y square. By mistake, if you write this, if you do that, this one also same answer comes. Lengthy procedure, shortcut procedure. When you see origin, when you see both points, this formula. Out of 2 points, one is origin, this formula. So read and learn by heart these two formulas. The whole exercise follows this formula. Exercise 21C, first problem. Find the distance between the points. How many points they have given? 2 points. In first problem, second bit I am doing. P is 1 point. Let P x1 y1 is equal to minus 4 comma 7 and Q be x2 comma y2. How much? 2 comma minus 5. Now they are asking to find distance between 2 points. Formula, distance between 2 points. How many points I have given? They have given 2 points. So distance between 2 points is equal to PQ. Formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 place 2 is there. 2 minus of minus, minus into minus, plus 4 whole square plus y2 minus 5 minus 7 whole square. That is equal to square root of 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 square plus minus 12. Because minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12 whole square. That is equal to square root of 6 6 are 36 plus minus into minus plus 12 12s are 144. That is equal to square root of, add 144 plus 36, 180. Square root of 180. If you want to write, you can write like this also. No sir, I will find factors means 2 table goes 90 times, 2 table goes 45 times, 3 table goes 15 times, again 3 table goes 5 times. For 2 2s, 1 2 will come outside. For 3 3s, 1 3 will come outside, and root 5. So 6 root 5, that is equal to 6 root 5. We don't know correct measurements, whether meters or centimeters. In general, we will write as units. 6 root 5 units. How we got this? We found factors and we brought square root outside. This is the way of solving the problem. Therefore, the distance between 2 points PQ is equal to 6 root 5. Write that conclusion. Therefore, PQ is equal to square root of 6 root 5 units. You have to mention compulsory this units, because distance now, how much distance we don't know. That is the way of solving the problem. Again, in the same first problem, find the distance between 2 points. Fourth bit, E they have given minus 6 comma minus 4 and F 9 comma minus 12. Solution given. Let E x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 6 comma minus 4 and F x2 comma y2 is equal to 9 comma minus 12. 9 comma minus 12. Now, distance between 2 points. What are those 2 points? That is equal to EF. That is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 is 9. 9 minus into minus plus 6 whole square plus y2 minus 12 minus into minus. Here formula minus and problem minus. Minus into minus plus 4 whole square. That is equal to square root of 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 whole square plus minus 8 plus 4 is minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 whole square. Because minus is more and opposite sides we subtract. This is all you know. 15 15s 225 plus minus into minus plus 8 8s are 64. That is equal to square root of add 289. 17 17s are 289. So 17. What is the square root of 289 is 17 units. We don't know correct measurements now. We have to write units. Therefore EF is equal to 17 units. Problem. Find the distance of each of the following points from the origin. They have given one point and an origin. So the formula changes. Solution given. Let A be one point, x1 comma y1 is equal to 6 comma minus 6 and origin O we represent x1 y1 x2 comma y2, because already one completed now, is equal to 0 comma 0. Ordered pairs of origin will be always 0 comma 0. Now distance between point and an origin, keep this as xy, and here origin O comma O only keep, because origin no need to starting. Origin 0 comma 0 is, or you keep like that. Distance between point A x comma y and origin O 0 comma 0 is. Now AO is equal to square root of x square plus y square. AO you can write or OA, both are same only. That is equal to square root of 6 square plus minus 6 whole square. You have to keep bracket because my square is for minus also. 6 6 are 36 plus minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36. If you add 72 will come. Now find factors for 72. 2 goes 36 times, 2 goes 18 times, 2 goes 9 times, 3 3s are. For 3 3s 1 3, for 2 2s 1 2 will come, and here root 2 will be remaining. So how much you got means that is equal to 6 root 2 units. What is the 6 root 2? OA or AO is equal to 6 root 2 units. This is the way of finding distance between point and an origin. Okay, easy formula, square root of x square plus y square. Read and learn this formula, very very important. Same second problem, third bit. Find the distance of each of the following points from the origin, and they have given one point C 4 comma minus 6. Solution given. Let A x comma y be, here not A, C x comma y be 4 comma minus 6, and origin they told we represent with O, and the ordered pairs of origin is 0 comma 0. Now distance between point C x comma y and origin O 0 comma 0 is OC is equal to formula square root of x square plus y square, square root of 4 square plus minus 6 whole square, 4 4s 16, 6 6 36, square root of 52 units. If you want to write 52 units or no sir, we must 52 you see. 2 table goes 26 times. Again 2 table goes 13 times. For 2 2s 1 2 will come, so 2 root 13 units. That is equal to 2 root 13 units. Don't forget this one. What is this one? Therefore OC is equal to 2 root 13 units. Write this. That is the way of solving this problem. Third problem. Find the point on x-axis. You know, point on x-axis will be x comma 0. In the same way, point on y-axis means 0 comma y. Very important. Point on x-axis x comma 0. Point on y-axis 0 comma y. Which is equidistant from the points A 2 comma minus 5 and B minus 2 comma 9. Here A is 2 comma minus 5, and here B is there another point minus 2 comma 9. Between this AB there is a point, one think as P. X-axis they told no, we don't. So general form of x-axis, point on x-axis is x comma 0. Now AP how much? PB that much. Equidistant means equal distance. So now solution given. Let the point on x-axis is x comma 0. Think as P is P x comma 0. The point no, so x comma 0. equidistant, which is equidistant, so equidistant from the points which is equidistant from the points A 2 comma minus 5 and B minus 2 comma 9. Meaning of that is AP is equal to PB. The whole sentence meaning lies here. Equidistant. AP is equal to PB. What is AP? Distance between 2 points A and P. What is PB? Distance between 2 points P and B. So first take AP. AP is what? Distance between 2 points. AP implies distance between 2 points. A think as x1 y1. How much? 2 comma minus 5 and P you think as x2 y2. x2 comma y2. How much? x comma 0. Now formula AP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 means x minus x1 is 2, x minus 2 whole square. Next plus y2 plus how much is there? 0 minus into minus plus 5 whole square. 0 plus 5 whole square. Now simplify it. A minus B whole square formula. Square root of A square minus 2AB plus B square. Again 0 plus 5 is 5 only, 5 square. So that is equal to square root of x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25. 2 2s are 4, 5 5s are 25. Square root of x square minus 4x plus 29. What is this one? AP. AP we got as this is AP we got as x square minus 4x plus 29 we got. Now PB. What is the meaning of PB? Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. What are 2 points? P is 1 point. Think as x1 y1, that is equal to x comma 0, and B you think as x2 y2, x2 comma y2, that is equal to minus 2 comma 9. Now PB is equal to same formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 9 square. 9 minus 0 means 9 only, 9 square. That is equal to square root of minus into minus plus 2 2's 4. Minus into minus plus 2 2's 4x. 2 2's are 4 into x, 4x plus x square plus 9 9s are 81. Now simplify. Square root of x square plus 4x plus 85. 4 plus 81 is 85. What is this one? PB we got. We got PB. Now equating both. Now equating AP is equal to PB because equidistance. P is equidistance, equal distance. Square root we are seeing. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Not one side, both sides. Square root of x square minus 4x plus 29 whole square is equal to square root of x square plus 4x plus 85 whole square. Square and square root get cancelled. X square minus 4x plus 29 will be coming outside. Square and square roots cancel. X square plus 4x plus 85. Here x square get cancelled. Minus 4x because plus comes from right to left is minus 4x. 85 plus 29 going from left to right is minus 29. Minus 8x is equal to subtract from 15 if you take 9 6. 7 minus 2 is 5, 56. Now we want x. X is equal to 56 by minus 8. Goes 7 times. So x is equal to minus 7. They asked points. So what we thought? P x comma 0. So P minus 7 comma 0. They told to find what? They told to find the point on x-axis. Therefore, the point on x-axis is minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. That is the way of solving this problem. If it is a y-axis, 0 comma y you take and solve. This is x-axis, we have taken x comma 0 and here we got as 7 comma minus 0. Sixth problem. Show that the points O means origin 0 comma 0 and A 3 comma root 3 and B 3 comma minus root 3 are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. They are asking to show that whether the given triangle is an equilateral or not. What are the properties of an equal triangle? Means all sides are equal, all angles are equal. But we won't go for angles. We will compare sides. OB how much? BA that much. AO should be that much. All the three sides we are getting same answer. Then it is proved. Out of three sides, suppose any one side is not equal, then it is not an equilateral triangle. So we are going to take sides. Solution given the three vertices of an equilateral triangle. We don't know, we are proving equilateral triangle are O 0 comma 0, A 3 comma root 3 and B 3 comma minus root 3. Now take first side OB. What is the meaning of OB? O 0 comma 0 origin and B you are taking as 3 comma minus 3. When you see this one, immediately the formula should come into your brain. Distance between point B x comma y and origin O, ordered pairs are 0 comma 0 is square root of x square plus y square. That is called square root of b is 3 square plus minus root 3 whole square. That is equal to 3 3 is how much? 9 plus minus into minus plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. That is equal to root 12 units. Suppose you want to change, you can change also in factor, 12 factors. 2 table goes 6 times, 2 table goes 3 times. So 2 root 3. Still if you want to write simplified manner, 2 root 3 units. If you write root 12 also correct only, but still more simplification. Now we got OB as 2 root 3. The remaining other two sides also should come. Then only it is an equivalent triangle. Now we will go for next BA. BA. What is the meaning of BA? Means distance between 2 points. Because 2 points they have given. BA meaning is distance between 2 points. D x1 y1, that is equal to 3 comma minus root 3, and A thinking as x2 y2, that is equal to 3 comma root 3. Either A x1 y1, B x2 y2 also no problem. Now formula, distance between 2 points, formula BA or AB also you can bring. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now that is equal to square root of x2 3 minus 3 minus 3 whole square plus y2 root 3 minus into minus plus root 3 whole square. 3 minus 3 how much? 0. 0 square plus root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole square, that is equal to 0. How many times we multiply? Same only. 2 root 3 whole square. Square and square root get cancelled and 2 root 3 will come outside. Units. So first side, second side, same answer we got. Square and square root cancels. 2 root 3 will come outside. Next one more side is there. What is that one? AO. Now OA implies distance between a point A x comma y is equal to 3 comma root 3 and a point and origin. Here point is origin O, 0 comma 0 is, we know the formula, square root of x square plus y square, that is equal to square root of 3 square plus root 3 whole square, that is equal to 3 3 so much? 9 plus root 3 into root 3, 3. 9 plus 3 is 12 units. Same we have done before, that is 2 root 3 units. Find factors. So 2 root 3 units. Now come to the conclusion. Therefore, OB is equal to BA is equal to OA is equal to 2 root 3 units. All the three sides are equal. If all three sides are equal, therefore the given vertices Therefore, the given vertices form an equilateral triangle. This is the conclusion. You have to mention clearly. If two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If no side is equal, scalene triangle. If all the three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Regarding triangles, we are doing one model I did. Isosceles is there, scalene is there. This is equilateral. So for two sides are equal and one side is not equal, isosceles. Three sides not equal, scalene triangle. All the three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Keep in mind, prove carefully all the three sides. Ninth problem. Show that the points A 2, -1, B 3, 4, C -2, 3 and D -3, -2 are the vertices of a rhombus. What are the properties of a rhombus? All sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. But diagonals are not equal. If diagonals are equal, it will become a square. The difference between a square and a rhombus is, in a square, all sides are equal, diagonals also equal. In rhombus, all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. In the same way, rectangle and parallelogram. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In parallelogram also, opposite sides equal. In rectangle, diagonals are equal. In parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. Same as rhombus. That is the relation between rectangle and a parallelogram, square and a rhombus. These are the combination. Be careful. Know the properties. If you know the properties, then only you can solve. So, solution given. Let the four vertices of a rhombus are, which bus? Rhombus are A 2, -1, B 3, 4, C -2, 3 and D -3, -2. Now we will solve one by one. First which side AB you take. You know by this time what is AB means, distance between A and B. 2 points. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You write completely. That is equal to square root of A how much? 2, -1. B is 3, 4. C is -2, 3 and D is -3, 2. Write near without fear, my dear, in this year. Though you are not near, note those clearly. Now, thinking AB, x1, y1, x2, y2. If you write with pencil for your understanding purpose. 3 - 2. 3 - 2 whole square plus 4 plus 1 minus into minus, so 4 plus 1 whole square. Square root of 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus 4 plus 1 is 5 square. That is equal to square root of 1 ones are 1, 5 5s are 25. 1 plus 25 is 26. So 26 units. We can't change. 2 into 13 only will come. 2 will not come outside, 13 also will not come outside. Keep like that. Next, after AB, take BC. BC means what? Distance between 2 points. Don't think while playing we will tell BC, not that BC. Now this time you think B as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. With pencil you write for your understanding purpose. Same formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Formulas will not change. Numbers will change, that's all. So, -2 - 3. -2 - 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 whole square. Now simplify. That is equal to -5 whole square, square root of -2 - 3 is -5 whole square plus 3 minus minus 4 is minus 1 whole square. Minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25 plus minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1. That is equal to root 26 units. Now we got BC also same. AB root 26. BC root 26. Still two more are there. What are those two more? CD and AD. We'll find out. Now find out CD. CD. What is the formula? Same. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This time C think as x1 y1 and D as x2 y2. Now minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 2 y1 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to minus 1 whole square plus minus 5 whole square. Minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 plus minus into minus plus 5 5 is 25, that is equal to root 26 units. Same CD also we got. Now DA. DA. What is the formula? Same formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This time change. D you think as x1 y1 and A you think as x2 y2. x1 y1 x2 y2. That is equal to square root of 2 plus 3 minus into minus 2 plus 3 plus minus 1 plus 2 whole square, that is equal to 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 5 square plus 1 square. 5 5s are 25. 1 1s are 1. That is equal to root 26 units. Root 26 units we got. Now with this we can't come for conclusion. Still we have to find AC and BD. AC means again same formula. BD also same formula. Are you able to follow? Now listen very carefully. Now everybody understood this both. Now coming to AC. First we will find AC. AC means same formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Same formula. Now we are thinking A as x1 y1 and C we are thinking as x2 y2. Diagonal we are finding. Write that word. Diagonal of, before we found sides, write that word side. Diagonal of AC. Side AB, side BC, write. Diagonal we are finding. Now minus 2, because here minus 2, here minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1, because minus into minus plus whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 4 whole square plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, that is equal to minus into minus plus 4 4 16 plus 4 4 16, that is equal to root 32 units. We can write as 32 as 2 16s are, why I am writing means 16 is having square root, 4 root 2 units, still more simplification. If you write root 32 also no problem, but still simplification is there. When simplification is there, make it. Find factors otherwise. Next, AC completed. Diagonal of BD. What's our AC and BD? Don't think. Those are diagonals of a rhombus Now BD. This time you think B as x1, y1 and D as x2, y2. According to your convenience, because easy method without getting confusion. Same formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to square root of, what is x2? Minus 3. Minus 3 and x1 is minus is there, again 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus 4 whole square, that is what square root of minus 3 is minus 6, minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36, minus into minus here plus, minus into minus plus 6 6 are 36, same. So that is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. We can write as root 2 into 36. 36 is having square root. So 6 root 2. How much? 6 root 2. 6 6 are 36 and root 2 is inside only. Units. AC we got as 4 root 2 and BD we got as 6 root 2. Now come to the conclusion. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All the four sides. How much we got means root 26 units we got. All the sides are equal. But diagonals are not equal. Diagonal of BD not equal to diagonal of AC. Therefore, the four vertices form a rhombus. Write that conclusion.